Hey. It's me, Ronald. Today, I'm going to leave these 4 banana peels on the top of the stairs for Nature Cat as a prank. Hee. Now, I'd better run before Nature Cat comes.
Well, it's now time to go on a nature adventure with my friends and my sister Gwendolyn. Holy crap! That's a banana peel that I slipped on, and there are 4 put at the top of the stairs. Gwenny, call 911 and have me taken to the hospital, please.
Dr. Allen, is my brother going to be okay?
He's going to be fine. But his left lung is partially damaged, and his right leg is broken. He'll have to stay in the hospital until a replacement lung can be found. And you have to pay $600 for surgery and a hospital bill of $7,052. I've got another patient to attend to.
Ha 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 ha. That was a funny prank to pull on Nature Cat.
Ronald, how dare you send me falling down the stairs? Now, Gwendolyn is paying my $600 lung transplant surgery and my $7,052 hospital bill, all thanks to you. You are grounded for 78,965 decades. Hale will drive you home, and after that, you will go to your room. As for how Daisy and Squeaks will get home, Gwendolyn will be driving them back home once the surgery is complete.
Ronald, stop crying like a freaking baby.